wenye mmetoka across the globe, them that are watching. I first want to assure Boaz's friends, sir, Sam, your request is granted. And I want to put the record straight. It is good before you go throwing and talking shit. Sorry, I didn't want to react what my sister said, but I wanted to put the record straight. Kuna urafiki na rafiki. So Boaz had friends. Na ndibali bwate friendship. Friendship is not a friend. So there are two sides here. Friends or Boaz, mbamanyire, mbaro, but for the sake of friendship, you took the advantage. Mokarong the best. My friend, my brother was so kind and generous. Omwakresi me end time, Boaz could respond. Bono, you've seen the best way you can reward my brother is just drawing us all over, painting us on the negative. God in heaven, as my brother and sister said, wrestling ayewate abantu babere. Until you enter into wrestling, ukipara kucheza peke yako pira mwingine kukuja, it's not wrestling. Iyo tumeachia Mungu, and I don't want to go deep into that. Number two, the assurance number two is, since my brother has been sick, has gone to be with the Lord, not even one day. Mom is here, dad is here, auntie is here. We've never, the lady is here. If only she could come early na kuane, we've never shown her madharau as people are painting us on the negative. So jumesema tumewajibu. Iyo is not in our bloodline. We can never do that. You know, go say totake sakukio mwana mimi. Totalipo. Thank God ametuachia mtoto kijana. Sasa, honestly, the last thing we can do, no kora imo tagete. Lakini let me assure you, that one is well taken care of. Hakuna mtu amemonyesha madharau na hakuna mtu atamonyesha madharau. Auna wekirebuya and take it to the bank. That baby Asha and my sister June, she's loved and welcomed as like never before. Ondete yo gochikomorokia madharau as people think. Now to my friend Boaz. I've known two people that die young. One, Jesus Christ. Just like my brother, Jesus Christ touched lives, healed them that were sick. Hizo zote Mungu alifanya. But at 33 years, Jesus died. My brother Boaz has been generous, kind, and making everybody needing help from him. He was there for him. He mourns as Jesus at 36. Pea 36 ya sauti arutigo manu. Ikamieka 40 gaki. Egere? Why am I saying this? Boaz, ile mnaita humble background, ile toa hiyo jina humble. We didn't have that humble that you are calling. Ours, we were poor. Until the boy could call us poor. Anominto agachandika. Tokurara njara. Ile mnaita Christmas, we didn't have Christmas. From every face, yani into turoje mejando ukalioka. Bonu manu minto wakati amefika that we want to reward it. Yani ametezeka sana. Now that ameona it is there and when life had started showing my brother the best side of his life. Now,
it's well, thank you so much, sir. You can give us that song.